Good morning to all of you. I'm Mahakprit Kaur, student of 9th standard from GHS Kamalpur. Today we are performing a very interesting activity, that is poem repetition. First of all, what is a poem? A poem is a piece of writing that uses imaginative words to share ideas, emotions, or a story with the reader. Many poems have words or phrases that sound good together when they are read aloud. Most poems for children rhyme or they have rhythm, just like music or repetition. Now, why poetry is so important? Poetry is so important because it helps us understanding and appreciating the world around us. Poetry's strength lies in its ability to shed a sideways light on the world, so the truth sneaks up on you. Poetry teaches us how to live. Now we will perform some poems before you.
I am born with goodness. I am born with ideas and dreams.
Nature is everywhere. Nature is everywhere you go. Everything that lives and grows.
I have a little shadow that goes on without me.
Putting a smile on my face when I wearing frown.
How did you do it all, Mom? Be a chauffeur, cook, and friend. Yet to find time to be a playmate.
Two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both.
How did you find energy, Mom, to do all the things you did?
Money can buy a house, but not a home. Way up road shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock.
Tigress Surya leaves alone. Her two cubs have been being
What you can do when you see litter in the streets and the air smells of pollution?
Sometimes I growl, shake myself, and spatter a few red drops for history to remember. When I, the people, learn to remember. When I, the people, use the lessons of yesterday and no longer forget who robbed me last year, who played me for a fool, then there will be no speaker in the world say the name the people with any fleck of sneer in his voice or any far off smile of derision. The mob, the crowd, the mass will arrive then. Thank you.